Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to check iPhone serial number. So what you want to do, just go to your settings first, then go to General, go to About, then just copy your serial number right here. Just tap and hold on it, then tap on Copy. Then next, what you want to do is open up your Safari, then search for iPhone device coverage, just like so. And here you will see this checker device coverage. Then just put the serial number right here. Paste the serial number that we copied earlier. Paste. Then type the characters above in the field below for verification. Submit. Once that's done, you will see this, your coverage. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.